Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Root Insurance app for policy management. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Root Insurance app on your device. If you haven't installed the app yet, visit your device's app store to download it. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted with the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the respective fields. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. After filling out your details, create a secure password for your account. Once complete, submit the form to register your new account. Check your email for a confirmation link from Root Insurance. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Root Insurance app and log in using your newly created credentials. If prompted, enable notifications for updates regarding your policy. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy Management section of the app. Here, you can view your current policy details and any active coverage. To make changes, select the option to adjust your policy settings. You can also add or remove vehicles, update personal information, and manage billing preferences. For any assistance, refer to the support section within the app for FAQs and contact information. After making any changes, be sure to save your settings before exiting. This concludes the authentication and policy management tutorial for the Root Insurance app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.